am. Tim and the kids are still sleeping, just in the bathroom. I wrote out my day. We got so much snow last night. Did my ab workouts. Put my hair extensions in. Happy Monday, everybody. It's 7:30 now. Quinn's awake. Hi, bunny. So I'm gonna go downstairs now and make some avocado toast for breakfast. Cooper is still sleeping. Tim is outside snow blowing. Yeah, should really take this balloon down. There's my breakfast and the kids' breakfast. Tim didn't have time to eat his breakfast before going to work. He was like outside snow blowing until like, I don't know, 8, and he started work at 8, so didn't get a chance to eat. So I'm gonna go upstairs now and give the kids their breakfast because they are starving. Quinn says, I am starving. I'm gonna go feed my starving kids.
The snowman still me made a snowman now.
You're gonna make a snowman now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
With snow.
With snow?
Yeah, out that backyard.
There's so much snow everywhere.
Yeah.
Snowy morning breakfast date.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Pocoyo! Hot
Hot dough.
Ellie!
Ellie.
Pocoyo!
Just gonna hang out with the kids for a couple of hours. It's 8:30 now. I'm hoping to go to the grocery store around 10. And I have like a nice grocery list all planned out. So it shouldn't take too long. It should take about an hour to get everything I need. And then it should probably take about an hour to put everything away. From 10 till 12, I'll be doing grocery shopping related stuff. And then
Mommy.
at 12, I'll make lunch.
Mom.
Nemo's sister tested positive for COVID, so they have to isolate, so I don't have a nanny at all this week. Sandy has agreed to like take over like Nemo's hours, so we'll see if she's awake at 10. And she's gonna watch them this afternoon and evening so that I can go to work. Willa, do you want to go out and go outside? There is so much snow outside. That car is like buried. I'm just putting some laundry away, and I'm also about to make our bed. Just getting some stuff around the house done before I get like too busy with work and with my day. Coop's playing with his train tracks.
Mina?
He's building his own. A ramp for your red train?
No, blue train.
Oh, for your blue train. Okay. Quinn's playing Kirby on his Switch. I'm actually gonna wait till this afternoon to go grocery shopping now, just because like I don't think the plows have been yet. That way I can work for a couple hours this morning and then do my grocery shopping this afternoon. Here's my nails. I didn't show them. I got them done last week. Just short with a black tip and a matte finish. I really like these ones. How meta is this? I was sitting down at my computer editing the vlog of a clip of me sitting down at my computer. It is 4:30 now. I'm just pausing my work to go get groceries now. I was supposed to go get groceries yesterday, but didn't end up. And now, of course, the day when there's a huge snowstorm is when I decide to go get my groceries. See you guys later. Just got to the grocery store now. Yes, that is a mountain of snow that is in the parking lot. Good morning. Happy Tuesday. Coming at you from the gym parking lot. I finally made it to the gym for an early morning workout. I've like scheduled it a couple of times and then have either skipped the workout and gone later or just worked out at home. I'm really proud of myself that I'm here right now at the gym. Good morning, guys. Happy Tuesday. I got back from the gym a little bit ago, about an hour ago. Just been hanging out with the kids and doing a little bit of tidying up. They're upstairs eating cereal and watching like a Lego Marvel something. Got my hair up in a bun. I put a little cardigan on. I'm still wearing my like sweaty gym clothes, but it's fine. So this morning I'm making apple and walnut spice porridge. I actually like remembered to buy apples this week. So oats are going, apples are simmering.
Hey, what's your mom doing?
I'm gonna fall. I want to fall.
You're gonna fall? Are you nervous?
I think I want some pizza.
Yeah, you want to have an apple? Blue, blue, blue. What's Grandma's favorite color?
Prosciutto, arugula, and then a little bit of balsamic drizzle on top. I just finished up my workday. It's 20 after 6. I'm sure Sandy is needing some relief. Gonna head upstairs now and hang out with them, and then later on have a shower and make some dinner. The cleaners came today. Two of them, they come every 2 weeks and they do like a super thorough clean of our house. I don't know if you can tell in this video, like the absolute cleanliness and like my perfectly clean counters and like mopped, vacuumed floors. You guys have no idea how amazing it is to like come home from work and that's done. Like it makes me so, me and Tim, like we talk about it for like days and we're like, our house is so clean and we're like so happy. Oh my god, they even like folded some of my laundry. What the heck? I'm shocked. I'm shook. Time for me to have a shower. I'm gonna feel much better and yeah, then nighttime routine with the boys. Okay, watch out for the Goomba.
Mom, I got some more mushrooms. Pop out that. I got some more mushrooms for you, Mom. Come get some. Come get play with me.
You want me to come play with your trains?
Yeah, you have to bring my friends over so we play. Go around. And that was it. It was then.
Coffee time. It doesn't get more Canadian than this.
Daddy.
Luigi! You get off of that couch right now. It's time to go party. That's my buddy Quinn. That's my wife, Jess.
Yes, it's my mommy. Hi, mommy.
Well, she's in the TV. That's not That's a video that she made. Mommy's downstairs right now making breakfast.
I need salt.
What's wrong? Can you talk to Daddy about what's wrong? As part of the documentary film crew, we're here exploring the tantrums of toddlers. So you'll notice the feet up is sort of a playful position, but feet down, the child is usually ready for attack.
The strap you're getting right, Kristen. We're all set up to work out. Go down.
Get it. So it can be easy.
Can I see this? Hey guys, happy Wednesday. It's almost 3 o'clock. I'm about to start my weekly accountability meeting for business. I'll kind of show you like a little bit. So we meet on Zoom, and here's what the document looks like that we do. So I've got the date, and then what I've accomplished, and then like what opportunities are available, my next goals, and what I need help with. The kids are just playing in their room now, and I'm gonna do my meeting. Making my fish tacos. Got all my stuff here. Lily's here. Kids are just hanging out. Up at a gallop ran the big brown horse. Goat jumped over the fence, of course. The hen came flopping with the chick and the duck, and everybody pushed the little blue truck.
And the duck.
I'm awake. Trying to be. Question is, should I have coffee or pre-workout? I think the answer is coffee. Good morning. Happy Thursday. I am at the gym. Not quite awake yet. Just gonna drink my coffee for a sec. I think I'm gonna do a warm-up on the stairs, then some core work. I haven't decided whether I want to do like lower body or upper body. The last time I worked out, I did upper body, so maybe we'll destroy our legs today. I'm gonna go inside now. I am like on a high right now. Like there's no better feeling than it being 7:30 in the morning and I've already crushed out like a super hard workout for the day, and I can shower and get ready and go to work. 5 a.m. crew right here. I'm like the biggest morning person. Do we look alike?
Yeah.
I just got back from the gym. The kids are awake.
Diffraction. If you touch that fraction, it will come out. Then it'll turn to a bad fraction. And
But yeah.
all the baddies will come.
I got back
Mommy, are you
from the gym. You want to see? Here. There's my voice. You're taking over. I'm just about to get in the shower.
I'm just gonna get in the shower.
And get ready for the day. I'm making omelet toast from the Sunny app, of course. I've got my cut up shaved turkey. I've got my veggies there. I'm using this sprouted bread. The recipe calls for gluten-free bread, but I don't really have any that I like, so I get this sprouted wheat, which is a bit healthier than regular like white bread.
Can I smell it?
Eggs,
Yum.
they don't smell good raw. Oh, don't touch that.
Why?
Because
Can I have some of this?
you can try that. Yep, that's turkey.
Yum.
Okay, thanks for your help. Do you want a banana? No, he just wants to eat my ingredients. Wow. Breakfast is ready. Yeah, I'll move your chair.
Oh.
Good morning. I'm finally getting a chance to sit down and drink my coffee. Today I'm supposed to work, so I gotta figure out how I'm gonna do that because Nemo still isn't here this week. So I'm gonna ask Sandy and see if she can take the boys for a bit today so I can get some work done. I still have a little bit of cleaning up to do. I did the dishes. I want to just like make my bed and do some organizing, all that kind of stuff. Gonna try to get some work done. Quinn's playing on the PlayStation. Cooper's in his room playing trains. Like, they're both doing their own independent thing right now. So I thought this was the perfect opportunity to just sit down, have my coffee, have a little chat for a minute. A package came today, so I ordered some more activewear because like I feel like I wear the same like 2 or 3 outfits like all the time when I work out. So the brand is Azure Fit. There's all my new workout outfits. Color scheme is so cute. I love Azure Fit, Azure, I don't know. Did my hair. It's looking nice and soft. So I'm gonna try to get some work done. Maybe I'll sit on the couch with my laptop, try to work while they play. I'm gonna get lunch together now. I haven't like started work yet. Kids are downstairs. I've just been like cleaning up around the house, posting like some stuff on Instagram, and now I'm gonna make lunch. I think I'm gonna make wraps today.
I'm shooting a video, guys. Sing Daddy song.
One for the way down the way.
What happened? Are you okay?
Bye.
Hey, that's mine!
That's mine.
Are you okay?
Yeah, your present, Mommy.
I got a present?
Yeah, from Santa.
Oh my gosh. Is this flowers for me?
Yeah.
Yeah, did you get them for me?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Here comes the flowers. I set my alarm for 6:15 today, so I woke up around
6:50 and it's now like 6:30, 6:40. I'm wearing one of my new outfits. I love this color on me. It's like a camel. So in the leggings and top, I'm wearing the size medium. The sports bra is size large, just because it fits like really compressed. So I have another bra that's medium, and I found it like too tight. It's my little gym outfit. Also, I love like, I love how like tight their tops are because I don't have to wear a bra with it. It's like supporting the girls. Okay, I'm back from the gym now. I'm gonna get dressed. I've got a little outfit picked out here. My fit jeans and just like a plain white sweater. I always feel like super cute in this outfit, so there it is. Tim's having a shower right now. I don't think I'm gonna shower now because he wants to work out together later. So I've been really trying to help like support him like in his like fitness journey as well, even if that means like, you know, fitting in workouts with him, like even if I've already worked out that day. So we're gonna do like an ab workout later. So today I did upper body. I did like arms and back at the gym. I'm supposed to work today. I don't really have like a strict schedule planned out. I'm just gonna go make breakfast now really quick. Tim wants oats, dressed, breakfast, and then Tim's gotta work at 10. It is 9:10 now, so I gotta get my butt in gear. Goob's watching his iPad. Quinn's playing a game. Gotta grab this oat milk, plant-based milk out of the fridge up here because there isn't any downstairs.
Hey, we want rabbit too. We want rabbit too. Thank you.
So finishing up my
What's this stove?
My breakfast.
What's this stove?
What do you want to do now?
Mario Kart.
Mario Kart or Mario 3D?
Mario 3D.
We defeated Bowser!
Yeah, and he's gone. You want to play some more?
Yeah, let's see what the next... Here, we gotta finish this one, okay? It's so beautiful out right now. I feel like this video doesn't do it justice. Tim and I just had some lunch. We also did a workout together. Now I'm just hanging out with the kids. They're having some quiet time so that mommy can get some work done. Got my bag here.
And yellow and red and pink and
You made such a beautiful picture, sweetie.
Thanks, Mommy.
I love that.
Bye.
Hey guys, I haven't really vlogged much else today. I think the last time I vlogged was like way earlier in the day. It's like almost 6 o'clock now. Tim is outside with the kids. Took them out to play so that I could cook dinner. I'm making like these prawn like skewer bowls. I don't know if I'll vlog anymore tonight. Maybe I'll just sign off now. I think I'll show you my dinner because it's probably gonna be really nice. Yeah, and then I will see you guys tomorrow. I'll see if I can bring my camera along to my shoot and do some like behind the scenes of me going to work.
Why?
Say see you later, alligator.
Why? See you later, alligator.
See a wild crocodile.
And the wild crocodile. Bye, Timothy.
when I drop it.
You're a good little toothbrusher.
Why on the leaves? I the leaves standing on it. Now it's your turn to count all of those stuff. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ho-ho! On Tuesday, he ate through one apple. And there's a beautiful butterfly.
There's a beautiful butterfly at the end. I am a gorilla and I thump my chest. Can you do it?
I can do it. What's that lady?
That's like a little boy or lady thumping their chest, just like the gorilla. Good morning, happy Saturday. So today I have a photo shoot. Well, 2 photo shoots today. I booked 2 boudoir clients. They're 2 best friends. And they're gonna come do their boudoir shoot together. So I'm just cleaning up after doing my hair. Tim ordered some McDonald's. So we're just getting all set up for breakfast now. And then I'm gonna get changed and ready for work.
Shoot day. Shoot day.
They're playing so nicely. My cuties. This lighting is not really doing it justice, but here's my cutie outfit today. Got this little sweater, high-waisted pants, boots, and this cute jacket. All this stuff that's gonna go in the car. I really like to give like vibes to my clients. I like playing music in the background, so we're bringing that charger. Tim is like the sweetest person ever. He just went and backed the car in so it'd be easier for us to load our stuff.
If that's all it takes to be the sweetest person ever, I got this down to a science.
You're amazing. He's taking me to my shoot, by the way. He pretty much comes along with most shoots. Today he's just dropping me off, but still happy to get to ride along with you.
Ride along.
Won't you ride along with me? This is the space that I'll be working in today. It's the bedroom. It's at this really cool and like artsy, like creative like space. So it's this really big place called Millworks Creative in Dundas, and this is the bedroom. Okay, I'm home now from my shoot. 2 shoots. It went really well. Immediately put my comfy clothes back on because sweats are life. And Tim came and picked me up and he recorded like a video testimonial for me, which is where like the client sits down and like talks about their experience and, you know, obviously does like a good review. Now we're gonna play some Fortnite or 3D Mario. I'm really excited to be home and just chilling now.
Mario, look! Bowser's vulnerable. He's outside of his castle. Come on back!
Oh, my star!
Mario, come on back. Let's get Bowser together, huh? Hi, Bowser. Oh!
Hi.
Wow. You seem like a real bad guy, Bowser. Huh?
This is my star to make Bowser. Yeah.
Oh no! Come on, guys.
Oh. Merry Christmas.
Ho ho ho.
We miss Santa.
Take this lamb shank pot from the Sunny app. It looks amazing. You excited?
I'm beyond excited. This looks phenomenal.
Smells so good. Love my little dinner dates with you.
Yeah, this is not a little dinner date. This is like gourmet.
Aww. Don't jump on below. Nope.
What do you think the surprise is?
Good morning.
Very happy.
Happy Sunday.
I thought you were at the gym. I was telling the kids this morning, and I was like, oh, like, I don't know what I was saying. I was like, let's just play. We'll wait for mommy to come home. I'll make some coffee. She has coffee when she gets home. Like, Queen was downstairs hanging out with grandma. And sure enough,
I was here making French toast.
French the whole time.
Look, he has a candle.
Wow. We just had breakfast, got cleaned up. Tim and I took care of a bunch of stuff for our cruise.
Oh, that was a treat.
Yeah, we're gonna go out on an adventure now with the kids. We're gonna go tobogganing over at a park by our house. And yeah, just have a good day.
Candle.
It's gonna be fun.
Yeah.
Guys,
You can't see. Hurt. That was an accident. Are you okay?
Yeah, we just hit so.
That's it. I'm gonna tickle you both. Here I come. Tickle missile. Here comes the tickle missile. Yeah,
We're just chilling downstairs.
It's a good donut place.
I used to get
Just had some donuts.
burgers like that.
Kids are having a little
But I
snack.
forget where.
We have like a late lunch, so they're still pretty full from that.
Meet the mom.
One more toast, sweetheart.
You're all done?
Yeah.
Hey guys, happy Sunday night. I just wanted to pop on here and just hopped out of the shower. Kids are in bed. Make sure if you guys like this video to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to. You don't have to, but if you want, you'll see my videos every week. Thanks for coming along for another week in my life.